What's up everybody, this is Kevin here. Behind me I have a 2013 Tacoma that I recently picked up, and it is totally beat up. Scratches everywhere, completely destroyed. We're gonna be taking it from this to this. So to give you guys an idea of how bad this really is, I'm gonna show you guys some of the interior, and you guys kind of tell me what you guys think. I mean, it's pretty dirty. Definitely has a stench. Just a little nasty. A big part of it is the, exterior. Pretty scratched up. But I think a lot of the stuff they're gonna be able to get out, hopefully. I really don't know. Some of these are pretty deep. But anyways, I hope you guys kind of have a general idea of what that looks like. Tomorrow I'm gonna be taking it to this guy, Clean Slate. They detailed my other truck a while back and they did an amazing job. So I'm hoping that they can get a lot of these scratches out, and then we'll put the lift, tires, and wheels on, and this thing should be looking amazing by the end. So it's the next day. We had a slight change of plans. We're gonna be taking these tires and wheels and actually getting them mounted and balanced, and we're just gonna go ahead and do the lift today. I was gonna have the truck detailed today, but it's kind of been raining off and on. I wanna make sure that it's really warm out, so when they shampoo the interior and stuff like that, everything dries out nicely. So we're gonna head over to the tire shop, get these mounted on, and then we're gonna go over to my buddy's shop and start lifting the truck. These are the wheels that are going on and the tires. This truck is actually gonna get my Methods and Mickey Thompson tires from this truck. I don't know why, but I haven't been a huge fan of these fake beadlock looks. These are the NV305s. I mean, it looks pretty good, but I've been really into more of that kind of like clean, flat look. So I went with the MR316s for this next set, and I'm doing a complete 5 tire set. We're all loaded up, ready to go. And if you're wondering, you probably would have guessed it, but a friend of mine actually had a Jeep Gladiator that, actually it was a Wrangler, Rubicon Wrangler, that they took these off of, and she did 35. So she gave me a killer deal on these tires. So we're gonna dismount these, put the Methods on, and then start lifting the truck. Here we go. Little stinky, but hopefully they get that smell out. So before I show you the finished product, I just want to apologize in advance. I forgot to film a lot of it on this camera, so I ended up just getting a lot of shots on my phone. But it still does it a lot of justice, and it shows you just exactly how clean it turned out. So thanks for watching, guys. It's been almost 3 years since creating a video. This was definitely a little choppy. It's been a long time since I've created any YouTube videos, but look back on my first video that I posted about the 5 things you need to know before buying a Toyota Tacoma. I've owned a lot of these over the years, and I currently own a 3rd gen that I recently built out. I'll be doing a new video on that. And that one is built out a lot better than this one. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more videos weekly, so stay tuned.